Hi guys! We're currently having dual tournament Marvel Commander only here at Mana Underground.
And curious ba kayo kung anong commander yung gamit nila? Let's go and find out.
Yeah, for this tournament, I'm using Happy Hogan, Dauntless Driver. It's a one to cast, vanilla 2/1. It does nothing, basically. That's it. It's a mono red burn deck, similar to my Zergo.
Yung commander ko is si Namor, mono blue siya. Kaya ako siya pinili is marami siyang free spells. So gagawin ko is bababa ko siya sa early turn, tapos protectan na lang free spells. Kaya misdirection, ganyan, days, disrupting shoal. Gagawa siya ng mga free 1/1s na merfolk. Yan. Tapos marami na akong pwede gawin sa tokens. Pwede ako mag-skull clamp para draw 2 or opposition para itap yung board ng kalaban. Ayun.
So, gamit ko ngayon si King T'Challa. Azorius siya. Tapos, pinili ko siya kasi parang ako, mayaman, gano'n, di ba? Ayoko kasi yung mahirap. Ayoko yung gusto ko, silver spoon, di ba? Pinanganak, magaling, malakas. So, Wakanda tayo, boss.
I chose Moleman, Moloid Master, because it's a land matters deck, so it's very close to my playstyle, and then it has a cute Moloid token that comes along with it.
My deck today is Bast Panther Goddess. Why? Because I'm a god. I'm a generous god.
I play King T'Challa, the Azorius Commander. Bakit? Kasi ability niya, Flash. So, fit na fit dun sa color ng Commander. So, blue and white. So, I play the control variant. So far, maganda naman yung performance niya. So, good luck sa lahat ng players. Wakanda forever.
I'm using Wolverine Fierce Fighter. The reason why I use this is because I am the king of Ghoul style, which means red-green. And I'm also venerated dual commander king. That's it.
My commander is Captain America, the first Avenger. And this is basically Aragorn switched to another commander, so I just use the colors. But it's basically the same. It's still Aragorn. Go Aragorn.
Hello, this is my Marvel Commander, Wolverine Fierce Fighter. That's why I choose this because this is the card that I like, and I have many cards in the red-green color. And I'm very comfortable using the red-green card synergy.
Hi, I'm using Winter Soldier Icy Assassin for a fast attacking creature.
I'm Eugene. Ang napiling commander ko pala ngayong Marvel Tournament itong si Astonishing Spider-Man. Well, actually, Spider-Man 2099 pero bad siya for this event. The deck is the same, yung commander lang binago ko.
Kaya ako napili si King T'Challa ngayon bilang dual commander kasi siya lang yung kilala kong leader na hindi corrupt.
Ang commander ko is Speedball, New Warrior. Siya yung napili ko na commander kasi similar playstyle sa standard at saka modern deck ko.
Kayo, which Marvel Commander would you bring to this tournament?
Let us know in the comments and we hope to see you in our next event here at Mana Underground.
Bye!